I like that.
Yeah, you said it better.
Well, no, she said it plain as day.
Say, I like that. I like that. I like that. You like that? You gotta say it. Say, I like that.
I like that.
You ain't gonna talk no more. I like that.
I like that.
You like that?
You like you? You don't like that.
Well, it's all gone.
Tristan.
Stop.
I'm just kidding.
I like that.
You like that, Harrison Marta?
I like that.
Hmm?
Now, many of them like her age can say that.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. I think that's nifty. Because I heard that just plain as day. I like that. Here. Hey. Do you like this? Do you like this purple? Is that good? Do you like that? I think she's thinking about something else now. That's it? Well, you ate it all. Hope you liked it. What?
Did you like that?
Was it good? Was it good?
Lou said it was something very big.
She's back on her foot. She's like, yeah, that was good.